That we are getting that is that the disaster authority for the disaster management of Punjab is along with Rescue 1122 and local authorities are working there. Rescue 1122 managed to take evacuate the village which was expected to get inundated in the Jalloke area, and they are there to with their boats to take people to and fro, because what happened is in some of the villages, as you were showing what the locals were saying earlier, some of the villages have been surrounded by water. The villages still haven't been inundated completely. It's not that it has entered the houses, but they've been surrounded by water, and that's why the people cannot move. So they are there with their boats, but earlier there were more reports coming in that the boats are not properly equipped. They do not have their oars or do not have proper engines. So those were some of the problems, that the boats that they have are not working properly. And then the authorities have set up medical camps, and they have vaccinated the livestock as well. But since we are seeing that the problem is increasing, we still don't know as to how and much are they prepared for the increasing problems, because more and more land and more villages are getting surrounded by water, and more land and more agricultural land is getting inundated. Shariar.
Right now, Rabia, how many villages have been submerged up till now?
We've spoken to the authorities, and they've not really given us a number of villages. And what the land that they've given is that it's about from Kankur to Kusur. This is the area next to which the river runs, and all the agricultural land in this area and the villages with it are suffering. So it's about 90 kilometers at stretch. And all the villages in this area are affected by water directly or indirectly, so this is what they've given. The number of villages still not been given by the authorities. What we've been told, the DCO has said that it's 8,000 of agricultural land and villages next to it which have been affected. But the local leaders, like a PPP politician Manzoor Ahmed, who they spoke to the media earlier, said that it's about 30,000 of acres of land which has been affected, and locals are saying that this is near, the land affected is near to that figure and not what the official authorities are saying. So